as range, and the type is of course a page. It is not a number or a string, it's a page, because our persons here in the wiki are articles. I create it, and now I should be able to annotate and tag this. Now I should have a new property in the list of suggestions, and I'm taking, of course, milestone has responsible person, and it points to the article named Carl, and I edit. I save now the data, and we return to the rendered article, and here you see in the fact box we have a new fact which says milestone has responsible person is pointing to Carl. He is a person. And all these facts can now be used for processing. Now let's assemble a list of milestones for our project. And for this, I'm going back to the project, and I'm querying now the system for all milestones for this particular project, and for that I'm opening the article about the project, go into the rich text editor and click on this icon which opens the query interface. The query interface loads, and now I can easily assemble my query. So I want to ask for all milestones and their due dates and get this displayed. So therefore I'm asking the system give me all milestones you know about, and you see here in the result preview a list of all the milestones we have. And now I will filter for all the milestones which are for our project, and I check here that the value of the property milestone for project is equal to the name of the project. Clicking add. Now you see that the list of milestones gets a bit shorter. And now I'm asking for the values of the milestones. I'm picking milestone has value. Tick here to show it in the results, and I edit, and here now you have the list of the milestones for the particular project with their values, and if I want to I can select another way to print this information out, namely let's take a Google Pi, and that's fine, and this tells me that the first milestone is apparently the most expensive milestone for our customer, and this is quite valuable information, and I'm saving it and embedding this query into the project's article. Here I can type in some explanatory text. Let's save the article and see what all the other users of that wiki will then see. Okay, so this is again the article about our project, and here you see the query and printed as a Google Pi. and this gives quite a good overview, but probably you want to show a table with a bit more information for each milestone. And then I'm opening the query interface again. After typing in this text, I go to the query interface. It loads. I add the category milestone. I want to reduce the list of milestones for all the milestones for our project. And I'm returning the responsible persons. And what else could I print out? Let's say the due date. Show results. Okay. Now I embed this table and I'm saving the article. Okay, so we have now exploited the data which we have semantically tagged for a milestone in two ways. First, we have used it to print it out as a Google pie chart, and secondly, we have used it to print it out as a table, and each user can access this table, of course, and can use it for browsing the individual milestones. You can sort this table, and the best of this table is that it's always kept updated with the data. So if in one milestone the due date changes, then this data here will be changed and kept updated as well.